Hello friends. So today we are going to see a new pen today and it is a Jinhao pen. So I received in this way. Okay, I'm going to open it. Okay, nothing inside. This is how I received it. Okay, a good pouch. It's not getting out. Okay, nothing else inside this. So this is the pen. This is Jinhao. This is a fountain pen with push button. Okay, so let me open it. This comes with fine nib. This is Jinhao 20 clicking pen. Oh, it is getting hard. Okay, so it comes in this way. Nice yellow color with black strip. So mostly it comes with chrome fitted, but I bought the black one with yellow body color. And this is the cap, and this is to push. And to keep the nib safe, we put cap here instead of the front section. So the cap is kept to secure the push button instead of the nib, but it is good. Now the clipping, it is in it is towards the pen nib. It is good so that the ink flows do not spill. This is the normal size of the cap. I am keeping it aside. Now the pen, so we have to press it almost completely and then to retract it again. And now, what is the size of the nib? This is the size of the nib. This comes with fine nib, and there is a slope. It is good so that it did not scratch the paper, but it is good. Nice nib. Okay, and now we have plastic feed and fine nib. The nib size, yeah, it is very small nib. Okay, now going, so if you hold it in this way, it is good, and you can see the nib always aligned with this, so it is not, this clip is not damaging your holding section, and it is good. Yeah, if you are holding it in this way, then it will harm you, and it is not a good posture. So in this way it is good. Okay, and now no matter where you hold, it works. So over here or here or here. Okay, now let's go inside of this pen. So it's opening from here. Okay, it has the mechanism of normal push button pen, so I'm just keeping it aside. Now the pen, I can see it is a metal. Yeah, it seems to be metal. I think it is also a chrome fitted. Now I'm okay. You can see a little hatch over here which keeps it in the direct correct location, and then the nib always will align with the clip, so it is good thinking. Okay, now the pen, you can see this is the exact pen. Seems to be steel, very small nib. It's just mentioned as fine. There is some logo. You can see it fine with logo. Okay, so this is steel. No, it is not getting pulled. So this is a new pen. I am not going to pull it right now. I will try it later. But as of now, you simply need to dip it inside the ink bottle and just rotate the knob, which is anti-clockwise. Then it will suck the ink inside the barrel. Okay, that's it. Good mechanism. It will not hold anywhere else. It is always on the clip groove. Now I'm going to, yes, it is always on the same point, so it is good. Regarding the nib side, I can see it has metal part which keeps the ink not to get dry. You can see the flip is getting open, and now we have the nib. Okay, so it is good that we do not need to worry about getting the ink dry. Now I will fill it and we'll see how it will work. So I will open it, take this part outside. I'm going to use this bright violet today from Dayton. I will simply squeeze it and then open it. So right now the barrel has the nib on top of the point, the sucker. I will rotate it anti-clockwise to go down and then dip it inside the ink and then rotate as clockwise. I will do it twice so that the ink gets saturated properly. And now this nib is ready. You can see the ink color. Okay, first of all, let me close the ink bottle. Align it as per the groove. Close the cap. Now it is ready. Let me do some writing test. Okay, so I'm going to write down. So as this is a new pen, so I always start with ohm. Okay, let me zoom in a little bit. This is Jinhao 20. As of now, it is very smooth. Instead of having fine nib, it is writing very smooth. A quick brown fox jumped over a lazy dog. Okay, you can see it is quite wet. You can see the wetness. Let me write some S. Yeah, it is very smooth, no scratch. Let me do some reverse writing. Oh wow, it is writing reverse as well, and the flow is also good. Let me do right. You can see the wetness in the reverse writing. It is well made, and the clip and the black color is chrome fit, not chrome, sorry, metallic. So yes, it is good. Let me do some more writing. So this clips holds your pen in one place, so it is good. It helps to guide your holding posture, and it is very good for anyone. Even the new writer can help write it with. So hope you like my video. If you have any question, do let me know. Thanks, and please subscribe. Have a good day ahead. Thank you.